Wake up.
Wake up.
Wake up.
This World Environment Day.
This World Environment Day.
This World Environment Day. Tell the world why it's time for nature.
And tell our world leaders why nature matters.
Invite them to be part of the solution.
Nous devons acter le rôle fondamental de la biodiversité.
Our disrespect of the environment has led to some major problems.
I'm going to say a word or a phrase. You have to say the first thing that comes into your head. Eco-warrior.
Me. Everyone should be.
How do you think we can engage more young people in sustainable farming?
Farming can be fashionable. Farming can be a way of self-expression, an art form with food.
Let's protect the environment.
La tierra no es del hombre, sino el hombre de la tierra.
We will not back down.
For me, nature is medicine.
You are never too little to make a difference.
It's time for nature.
我们与大自然相连相生，关爱自然，刻不容缓。
Es tiempo para la naturaleza.
It's time for nature.
Llegó la hora de la naturaleza.
It's time for nature.